Stocking your pantry wisely is a fantastic way to save money on groceries. It also ensures you have essential items on hand, which can be incredibly helpful during unexpected situations. Prioritize shelf-stable foods that offer both convenience and peace of mind. Start with foundational ingredients like white or brown rice, various types of pasta, and oats. Don't forget versatile flours for baking and cooking. Frozen fruits and vegetables are also excellent additions, providing nutrition and convenience. An inventory list is absolutely crucial for an organized and efficient pantry. Whether you use a simple paper list, a spreadsheet, or a dedicated app, tracking your items prevents overbuying. It ensures you only purchase what you truly need, avoiding unnecessary spending. Keep your list handy, perhaps in your wallet or on the kitchen counter. Placing it near the front of your pantry allows for quick reference before you head to the store. Clear bins and can racks that rotate older items forward can also make your inventory much easier to manage. Once you have a clear picture of your current stock, you can confidently take advantage of sales. Knowing you have plenty of canned tomatoes, for example, stops you from buying more when you see a great deal. This principle applies to all your regularly consumed staples like grains or canned vegetables. Make sure to regularly update your list to reflect what your family actually eats. Creating a rotating meal plan helps you use up ingredients before they expire, minimizing food waste. This proactive approach keeps your pantry dynamic and useful. One excellent tip for stocking your pantry on a budget is to look beyond your usual grocery store. Explore discount stores like Aldi or Dollar Tree, which often have surprisingly good deals on staples. Online options, such as Amazon Pantry, can also offer competitive prices. Always be on the lookout for coupons and rebates. These small savings can add up significantly over time, stretching your grocery budget even further. Smart shopping is about being resourceful and exploring all available avenues for savings. Make regular inspections of your pantry and fridge a part of your meal planning routine. This helps you avoid food waste and encourages creative cooking. You might discover ingredients you overlooked, sparking new meal ideas. If you find items nearing their expiration date, consider donating them to a food bank or charity. This is a much better option than simply throwing them away. It helps others and reduces waste. Maintaining an organized pantry saves both time and money, but you must be mindful of expiration dates. Proper rotation ensures your supplies don't go bad before you use them. Wasted food costs money and impacts the environment. There are many strategies to reduce food waste and prolong shelf life. Being mindful of what you have and when it expires is key. This proactive approach prevents unnecessary stress and wastefulness. Prioritize non-perishable, versatile items that can be used in many dishes. Rice, beans, and pasta are excellent examples, offering a high calories to cost ratio. They are easy to prepare and form the base of countless meals. Don't forget to include beverages your family regularly drinks, like coffee, tea, or juice boxes. Condiments and kitchen essentials such as ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise are also important for a well-rounded pantry. To reduce food waste and keep things tidy, organize your stockpile into clear, airtight containers. This makes items easier to see and keeps everything organized. It also prevents pests and contaminants from spoiling your food. For an ongoing budget-friendly pantry, only purchase foods your family regularly consumes. Avoid overstocking items that might go untouched and eventually expire. Buying products on sale can save significant amounts and extend your supply. Once you've created a plan to organize your pantry, it's crucial to stick to it. Maintaining order makes preparing quick meals at home much simpler. It also saves you last-minute trips to the store during busy weeks. An adequately stocked pantry provides peace of mind, especially during emergencies or natural disasters. With careful planning and smart shopping, you can build an extensive stockpile that lasts throughout the year and beyond. A well-stocked pantry is an effective way to reduce takeout meals and stay organized. It also significantly cuts down on food waste. However, stocking on a budget requires more than just picking up random items. It demands careful planning and smart habits. Stock rotation is a key practice, ensuring older inventory is used first. This reduces waste and prevents lost revenue from expired products. For your home pantry, it means checking expiration dates and using older items before newer ones. If you're serious about stocking your pantry on a budget, create a monthly or annual shopping list and budget. This helps you track spending and allocate funds for special events. It keeps your financial goals in sight. For store brands instead of name brand products when possible. This saves money, especially on staples like pasta, rice, and canned tomatoes. Look for sales at discount grocery stores like Aldi or Dollar Tree, which often have great unit prices. Consider using online shopping apps with coupons for your favorite store brands. Avoid processed foods like white flour and sugar by purchasing whole grains instead. Brown rice, barley, quinoa, and rolled oats offer more nutritional value at a lower cost. Stock your pantry with canned or dried beans. They add bulk to soups, salads, and pasta dishes while being low in saturated fat. A quick pantry check-in each month can save money in the long run. Identify low supplies and buy them in bulk when available. As you build your pantry, it's important to donate any extra food items to a local food bank. Many families cannot afford healthy staples, and your surplus can make an enormous difference. This stretches your budget and helps those less fortunate. When stocking on a budget, utilize ingredients already in your home. Canned and frozen vegetables, fruits, and beans are much cheaper than fresh produce and last longer. Always look for sales or coupons to maximize your savings. Cheap storage and labeling options help organize your pantry and track expiration dates. Using what you already have or asking family and friends for free containers are viable solutions. Donating surplus food also lowers your environmental impact. Many grocery stores offer programs to recycle old jars, cans, paper products, and plastic bags. It's a win-win solution that reduces waste and promotes recycling. Donating extra food contributes to lessening waste while simultaneously recycling more. While it might be tempting to stockpile everything during an emergency, panic shopping isn't advised. Instead, focus on building your pantry with healthy, affordable options like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables.